All right. So the question is regarding the longest wavelength. Essentially, that a hydrogen atom can essentially absorb or emit. It really doesn't matter what you're talking about, from n equals 1, or n sub 1 equals 3. So what this is asking is, hey, if you've got an electron, so if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go ahead and draw 6. And it starts at n equals 3 here. It's saying, what's the longest wavelength this can possibly absorb, going all the way up to ... infinity. Well, we have to think about wavelength. So wavelength is inversely proportional to energy, right? So if you increase wavelength, you're going to decrease the energy. So essentially, another way of looking at that is, if you decrease wavelength, you're going to increase the energy. So saying, what's the longest wavelength, meaning the shortest amount of energy, longest wavelength, short energy that you can have, that you can absorb. So the shortest amount of energy that we could possibly have is going from 3 to 4. Going 3 to 5 is higher energy, 3 to 6 is higher energy, 3 to infinity is much higher energy, so 3 to 4 is our energy level. And so those are the ends that we're going to be looking at. So when we set up our master equation here of change in atom equals h nu equals hc over lambda equals negative 2.18 times 10 to the negative 18 joules times 1 over n final squared minus 1 over n initial squared. The ends that you're talking about here are going to be, this will be 1 squared and this will be 3 squared, and then you're solving for this one here. And when you solve for that, you'll find out that lambda in fact does equal 1875 nanometers. So I hope that makes some sense. Again, it was asking for the longest wavelength, which told us the shortest energy. The shortest energy absorption is going to be from 3 to 4. Anything more than that is going to be a higher absorption energy, and that's why our answer ends up being 1875. This information you don't need to know, but it looks like you have an idea of how to use the equation, so I'm really proud of you. All right, have a good one. Bye.